What's up, guys? So it's like 8:05, 8:10 right now. So I made me a little trailer tester. Takes a 7-way, hooks up to a 20-volt DeWalt battery with the adapter from Amazon. All you do is plug this in. Let me plug this in real quick for you guys. And make sure it's in where it normally be. So go inside, turn the switch on underneath everything here. All right, everything should be on. I must not push the battery in all the way. There. All right, there we go. So that should be left. Yeah. Left, or no, right, I mean, my bad. And it, with the lights on here. Got the left one now, very bright. And now we got both of them. Alright guys, so I don't know what happened, maybe a background. But yeah, both now, both on, nice and bright. I think it must be something on this trailer harness maybe, or this little plug came a hair undone. But then the next one, I have blue for trailer lights, red is for reverse lights, and the black is for your auxiliary power, which is, I don't have nothing hooked up on this. That's all. That would be your brakes, I think. I would have to double check, or no, that's both your running lights. So yeah, just started. I was thinking maybe about adding some lights, what's called relays, for the blinkers for the left and right, but I don't think so because I don't want to complicate the system anymore. But I made this for about 50 bucks, Amazon. Got the box at Harbor Freight for $9, and you have to have a battery, obviously, or you can just get clips. And I got a T. It was pretty simple to make, 7-way. Cut the ends, put some splice or these little connectors on. Panel for 15 bucks, 6-panel or 6-gang panel. The hardest thing is drilling the holes for that, because you got to cut the big center out for those. So other than that, it's pretty easy. Only thing I really have is 4-way trailer connectors right now, and I run an adapter from Harbor Freight. I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.